Hey guys, let's unbox this Realme 6 Pro. As if you look it onto the box, the box is quite good and it's very much impressive. It's written 64 quad-core camera, 30-watt flash charge with 4300 mAh battery, in-display dual selfie 90 GHz, and Snapdragon 720G processor. So this is all the instructions, and here it is written that the camera features, battery features, and all that, prices and all. So let's unbox it. So in the box, first we get this welcome note, that is, hey, welcome to the Realme family, and this is let embrace a new journey. And this, I think, inside we have that cover. Yes, the cover, and this Realme manuals and all. The cover is quite good. I think it's a plastic. It's not plastic, it's a transparent cover which they are providing to every Realme phone, and the shape is perfectly fine and okay. So in the box we get a charger, that is a quick charger, which it's written a power supply unit. And Realme claims that it has a 30 watt of charger of this Realme 6 Pro, and it has as usual a C port, and wire is so heavy so that it could not break in your daily life when you charge this phone. Animation is very pretty fine and okay with the Realme, and by the time it boots up, I'll just give you the quick features of this phone. It has a camera of rear 64 plus 12 plus 8 plus 2, and front camera is 16 plus 8 megapixel with a RAM of 8 GB RAM and a 128 GB of internal storage. Let's take it out the phone from the cover. So this is the phone, and let's just remove it. Okay, let's keep this all aside and just look at out this device. The device is very good, and in bottom we have a 3.5 mm jack, a C port, a speaker, and a noise cancellation mic beside this 3.5 mm jack. And the backside is so glossy. I like this lightning blue color, and in backside it's written as AI quad camera. I'll share with you in the next video for this camera samples and a video of 4Ks and all that. So this is it. This is just a quick unboxing of this Realme 6 Pro. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Take care.